Okay. Demonstration of 1966, 1967 Lincoln Continental AM with stereo 8-track with push button antenna up and down. This unit has been rebuilt from 3 different radios plus new components. Fully tested it here myself. I'll turn it on. This is a demo. The radio works fine. We're inside a metal building. For the good of Colorado, but there are limitations when there are 3 speakers in the setup, which I think is stock, stereo left, right, and rear. We'll see if we can put a Bob Dylan tape in the player. It's a little tricky. Works very nice. In stereo. Track change works perfectly. I think that's all the functions. Another look. All the connectors are stock. They're all there. Demo is a nice radio.